For those who doesn't know me, I'm Naum. I want to show you how easy to replace the filter and flush the drain in your HVAC unit. Okay, this is how you remove the filter. This is the old filter. You fill up the pitcher. It's about like 2 liters or 1 gallon. There's a drain. So rubber, so you can pump it if it's clogged. So first you pour the water. Okay, this drain works fine, but if you see water stays, doesn't drain, what you do, you just start to pump this rubber hose. That's it. So it's very simple. You can, pour a couple gallons of water to make sure so everything is good. So and then just install a new filter back into the place. It's very simple. 1, 2, 3. Put the cover back and make sure you rotate the screws to seal. That's it. It's done. Less than 5 minutes.